In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your email subscriber list to Pipedrive CRM. We'll go through this process step by step so you can confidently bring your email contacts into Pipedrive and start using them right away. Before you begin, make sure you already have your subscriber list saved as a file on your computer, typically as a CSV or spreadsheet file, with clear column headers like name and email. That will make the import much smoother. Once you're logged into Pipedrive, look for the three dots icon, often labeled as More, usually found near the top of the screen in the main navigation. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Import Data. This is the section where Pipedrive allows you to bring in information from external files. On the import screen, you'll see an option to get started with a new import. Go ahead and click Get Started. This tells Pipedrive that you're beginning a fresh import process. After you've reviewed any brief on-screen explanation, click Next to move forward. Now it's time to bring in your actual file. You can either click to upload and browse for your subscriber list on your computer, or simply drag and drop the file into the upload area if that's easier for you. Wait for the file to finish uploading, and once you see that it's been recognized, click Next to continue. Pipedrive will now show you a mapping screen. This is where you match the columns in your file to the correct fields inside Pipedrive. Carefully map your email column to the email field and your name column to the name field. Taking a moment here to double-check the mapping helps avoid messy data later. When you're happy with the mappings, click Next. You'll then see a preview of your list. This preview lets you confirm that the information looks correct and that the names and email addresses are aligned properly. Scroll through a few rows, make sure everything appears as expected, and when it does, click Next. Now choose how you want Pipedrive to handle these records. You can decide whether to merge data with existing contacts, which helps avoid duplicates, or to create multiple new records if you're sure these contacts are all new. Pick the option that best fits your situation. Finally, when your choices are set, click Start Import. Pipedrive will process your file and create or update the contacts based on your settings. After it finishes, your email subscriber list will be available inside Pipedrive, ready for you to use in your sales and communication workflows.